Hi guys, welcome to another series of Ebony Foods. On today's series, I'll be sharing with you how to make a fluffy donut. Let's get started. Firstly, I added yeast powder, I added milk, I added sugar, and I added nutmeg. And then I added warm water. I stirred and I covered for about 3 to 5 minutes. I'm adding the flour. I'm using 1.5 cup of flour. I added pinch of salt, and I'll be adding my milk mixture. I'm using my hand to mix together, and after I've mixed for a while, I'll be adding egg and melted butter. Mix again properly till it is well fluffy. Mix properly. You have to mix, and I'm mixing on this table just to make it more fluffier. After I've mixed it properly, I'll be placing it into a bowl and leave it. I'll use oil to rub the bowl and leave it there. Add oil to the dough and cover to set aside for about 30 to 40 minutes. This is about 30 to 40 minutes, and I'll be mixing the dough again. I'll cut it into like 5 places. If you have your digital measurement, you can use that. So I'll be wrapping it mixed very well, and after I've mixed, I'll add ketchup, and I'll be covering the ketchup up with the dough. Cover properly and avoid staining the dough. Fit into a proper circle and leave. I'll be going in with the rest of the dough till I've exhausted all the doughs that I have. And I'm done with the mixing of the bowl. I'll be covering it for about 10 minutes. And after covering, I'll add my oil to the pan and leave it to heat up for about 5 minutes. And I'll be adding the dough. Fry on medium heat. Make sure it's on medium heat to avoid burning. And turn over to the other side till it is properly fried. This is what I have after frying, and this is very delicious. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please follow, subscribe, comment, like. Thank you. Bye.